Hello everyone. Actually, I am receiving couple of phone calls regarding individuals in society which has been introduced in case of class 9th by CBSE board. Actually, individuals in society has been introduced as a compulsory non-examination curricular component by CBSE from the session 2026-27 according to the National Education Policy 2020 as well as National Curriculum Framework, that is NCF 2023. There are some features of this compulsory subject, you can say, which is based on absolutely non-examination curricular component. Weekly trying to allot 2 periods, but it will be difficult. At least 1 period must be there. Absolutely based on project and the other features why it has been introduced by CBSE. Built to foster empathy, not sympathy. Next one, to throw the light on ethical values, which is very, very important for each and everyone, especially when on a daily basis we are handling so many children. We are noticing that ethical values probably decreasing among this generation. There are so many points, so many reasons are at the back of that. I'm not going to elaborate all those points, but it is there. That's the fact, right? To some extent, we are only held responsible for that, of course. To stress on ethical values, to increase the critical thinking power among the children, and to create the social awareness through the practicals as well as through the real life activities. So more or less that's all about individuals in society. Because many teachers, many principals, they are having these queries, they are making the phone call also that how to proceed with this subject. So I thought of it's better to clear it out. And if you are having any more queries about it, you are most welcome to mention in the comment box. I'll be always there to help you out. Thank you so much for listening.